Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your Microsoft Planner Plan ID. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your plans and can view the necessary details. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Look for and click on My Plans. This section displays all the plans you've created or have been added to, making it easy to access any project you're working on. From the list of plans that appears, go ahead and click on the specific plan for which you want to find the plan ID. This will open up the plan's details and take you to a new page where you can view all the tasks, buckets, and team members associated with that particular plan. Now here's where you'll find what you're looking for. Focus your attention on the URL bar at the very top of your browser. This address contains important information about your plan, including the unique identifier you need. The URL structure is designed to include specific parameters that help Microsoft organize and reference your plans internally. Your plan ID is located within this URL, specifically after the text that says plan/ and before the text that says /view. This unique identifier is a string of characters that represents your specific plan in Microsoft's system. You can use this ID for various purposes such as integrating with other applications, creating custom links, or troubleshooting with support teams. And that's it. You've successfully located your Microsoft Planner Plan ID directly from the URL, giving you quick access to this important piece of information whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.